Hey guys, I want to introduce you to a topic. It's called the product log, Lambert W function. That's the second name for it. Let's solve some maths for fun, right? So in this topic, we can solve some special kind of equations that you can't even solve normally algebraically. So assuming we have a question x raised to the power of x. If this was to be equal to 4, oh, you would definitely say x is equals to 2, right? Yeah, that's true, but you don't really know how to solve for x. Okay, now another question. If x raised to the power of x is equal to 2, how will you go about this? Yes, there's a way to go about it. And this way is that you log both sides with a natural logarithm, which is ln x to the x equals to ln 2. Now bringing this to the back, x ln 2 ln x equals to ln 2. X, I can rewrite that as e to the ln x because naturally I can cancel out e to the ln because this logarithm has the base of e. When I raise it as the power of e, this e automatically cancel out the ln. So we get back our x. But no, I just want to write it in the form of this. So this multiplies ln x and this is equal to ln 2. So according to the Lambert W function, it says when a cup, assuming it's a cup, just assume. How do they draw cups? Crap. When a cup is multiplied by e raised to the power of that same cup, jeez, it says, and you are to find the natural log of this. It says this is equal to the cup. So in essence, I mean, when x multiply e to the x, the Lambert W function of it is equal to x. So we already got something like that, similar to that here, right? So this is like ln x multiplying e to the ln x, and this is ln 2. So taking the Lambert function of both sides, I say the Lambert function of this ln x times e to the ln x is equal to the Lambert function of ln 2, right? Now we already know what we have to get here. This part, the left part, should be equal to ln x. And this is equal to the Lambert function of ln 2. Are you following? So I want to get rid of this ln. So what I will do is to raise this as the power of e, and I will just do that at the left side of the equation. I will also do this at the right side of the equation. So this cancel out this. I'll be left with x equal to e to the w. Not really w, is the Lambert w function of ln 2. So this is our answer to the question. Now to write the e raised to the power of the Lambert w function of ln x, I go to this calculator and I type my e, press alpha, and I go to express, and that is my e raised to the power of, I come here, I go to others, and in others I go to special, and in special I find my product log at number 12. So press down my product log and I go back to press my natural logarithm and 2, and this is our answer to the question 1.55961046946 approximately. So if I should say this is equal to, and I say raised to the power of the answer itself, guess what? It gave me 2, right? So that was correct.